In this video, I want to show you how to add a north arrow to display view in Global Mapper. Adding a north arrow to the display view in Global Mapper is crucial for orientation and navigation purposes, as it enhances the map usability by providing context, particularly in complex datasets where orientation may be unclear. So to add a north arrow to display view in Global Mapper, come to Tools and click on Configure. Alternatively, you can just click on this icon, which is Configure. Click on it. It will open the configuration page. Then come under Display option. Then here you can see north arrow. Click on it. It will bring the north arrow page here. Then check this box, which is Display north arrow on map. Then here you can choose the type of north arrow you prefer. For example, let's go for the first one. Click on it and click on Apply. Click on OK. You can see the north arrow here being displayed on the display view in Global Mapper. And if you want to adjust it or change it, just right click the north arrow. It will bring the north arrow options. Click on Narrow Options and it will bring this north arrow page. Then here, if you still wish to change the type of north arrow, you can change it. For example, let's change it to compass rose and then click on OK. You can see it has adjusted it. So you can continue your work while the north arrow is displaying on the display view in Global Mapper. So this is how to add north arrow on display view in Global Mapper. Thank you for watching.